Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on what's going on in Barbican. Now this is Birdsucker Lane, and during the week this lane is closed. You can't drive through here because they're doing some construction. Now it looks like they're laying pipes. I assume it's probably water pipes or sewage pipes in the road, and they're connecting it to a development that's going on. So today is Saturday, so the road is open. So we're just going to give you an update as to what is going on. And every time you see the road, the lane pipes on the road, you have to ask a question. What will the road look like when they are finished? Now, as you can see, the road is totally destroyed in this section. You can see where they dug up in the middle of the road. Assuming that's one of the pipes on the right. Now, it's scary because so many times when they lay pipes, they leave the road in a worse condition than they found it. So, we will keep you guys updated on this one. Now, straight ahead on the left is a development that's going up, residential units. And then they're wetting this dirt so that it doesn't create a lot of dust. So this section of the road has also been dug up. That's the excavator there, that yellow machine that they use to dig up the road. Alright, so this is an update on what's going on in Barbican. Very nice development. Seems to be a massive development. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour as we drive through drive through Graham Heights and then Cherry Gardens. Alright guys, sorry, this is the Barbican area, where this is Barbican that we're driving through now, and then when we go around the corner we go up to Graham Heights and then into Cherry Gardens. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, have a good day.